Let's now come to stage 5. Stage 5 will comprise of computing present value of free cash flows of explicit forecast period and the terminal period. So this is what we need to do at the stage 5. So first of all, how do we find out the present value? So first we find out the free cash flow and we multiply it with the cost of capital, and this gives us the present value of future cash flow. This gives us the present value of future cash flows. So we use a model which is known as two-stage discounting model. And how will this work? So here D is nothing but your cash flow. T is nothing but the explicit forecast period. In our case of this case study that we are discussing, the forecast period T is 5 years. So you will take the cash flows of 5 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take it up here, and then 1 plus KE. KE is your cost of equity. So let's say we are assuming that we are going to fund this purchase of the hotel only by way of equity. So that's why we are taking only E, that is equity, which is 11.2%. Raised to T, that is whatever the time is. So this is the computation of cash flow for the explicit forecast period, that is for 5 years, and this is calculation of cash flow and its present value for the terminal period. So what you do, you take the cash flow for the 6th year and divide it by the cost of capital and minus the normal growth. So which means 11.2% minus 5%, or you divide it, and then you convert that in terms of present value by using the discount factor. So this is what you will use this is how you will use the two-stage discounting model for arriving at the present value of future cash flows. Now when you come to the total of both these, that is explicit forecast period present value and the terminal period present value, the total of both of them becomes the value of the business. So stage number 6,